Hi, Imran from Car Sound Secure in East London. We've just finished doing a rear speaker upgrade on this Ford Transit Custom 2019. Let me just quickly give you a tour of the installation itself. So it's all running off the factory stereo system. Customers complaining there was no sort of sound in the rear cabin. So what we've done is we've installed some coaxial Alpine speakers. So one just really mounted there, now it's flush fit, and the next one is just there on the other side of the seat. So it looks really flush, not really disturbing anything. All the cables been concealed as well. They've always also been amplified. So what we've done is we've just located the amp just down there, all neatly concealed, all cables all protected, etc. I'll give you a little sort of sound. So probably hear it, I've just got radio on at the moment. So if you're interested in getting an upgrade done on your commercial vehicle, just perhaps some speakers or subwoofer, or even integration on the factory screen, we can do that as well. Yeah, get in contact with us. Your details are at the below this page. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.